In this video, you will learn about Application Programming Interface, or API, testing with Postman. This tutorial will cover how to test Node.js, Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface, or REST API endpoints. Postman is a powerful platform for API development and testing. It allows you to test Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP requests and responses, and easily debug Application Programming Interface or API endpoints. To get started, you'll need to set up your environment. First, start your Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface, or REST API server on localhost. Then, install and launch the Postman application. Here is an example of a basic Express JavaScript server with representational state transfer, or REST endpoints. The server will run on port 3000 and have a base uniform resource locator, or URL, of http://localhost 3000. The code snippet shows a GET endpoint that returns a list of users in the JavaScript object notation, or JSON format. Let's create your first request in Postman. First, click New and then Request in Postman. Next, choose the Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP method you want to use, such as GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. Finally, input your Application Programming Interface or API endpoint Uniform Resource Locator or URL. Now let's test a GET request. The Uniform Resource Locator or URL for this example is http://localhost 3000/API/users. This request will retrieve data from your Node JavaScript Application Programming Interface, or API endpoint. The expected response is a status code of 200 OK, with the following JavaScript object notation, or JSON body. Bracket open quotation ID quotation :1 comma quotation name quotation :quotation, John quotation bracket close. Let's test a POST request. The Uniform Resource Locator or URL for this example is http://localhost 3000/API/users. This request is used to send data to create new resources. The request body should be in JavaScript object notation, or JSON, format as shown here. Brace open quotation name quotation :quotation Alice quotation comma quotation email quotation :quotation Alice at example, quotation brace close. Understanding response data is crucial. Status codes indicate the outcome of the request. 200 means success, 201 means created, 404 means not found, and 500 means server error. Response headers provide additional information such as content type, content length, date, and server. Postman offers advanced testing features such as collections and test scripts. Collections allow you to group related requests together for organized testing workflows. Test scripts enable you to validate response data, check status codes, and create automated assertions. Here are some best practices for Application Programming Interface, or API testing with Postman. Organize requests in collections, use environment variables, write descriptive test names, and test all Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP methods. You're now ready to test your Node JavaScript Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs, efficiently with Postman. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.